welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit glow filter using Lightroom mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Contrast to 5. Highlights to -40. Shadows to 22. Whites to -60. And blacks to -39. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 17. Tint to -12. Vibrance to -65. And saturation to -4. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 6. Saturation to -20. And luminance to -17. For orange, hue to 5. Saturation to 34. And luminance to -25. For yellow, saturation to -20. And luminance to -25. For green, hue to 10. And saturation to -50. For aqua, hue to 10. Saturation to -76. And luminance to -22. For blue, hue to 16. Saturation to 32. And luminance to -19. For purple, hue to 13. Saturation to -45. And luminance to -15. For pink, saturation to -45. And luminance to -6. Next, go to Effects. Texture to 6. Clarity to 8. to his to 19. Vignette to -4. Midpoint to 36. And highlights to 10. And last, go to detail. Noise reduction to 14. And color noise reduction to 17. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.